You've probably been told that fiber is the magic solution for bloating, constipation, and keeping your gut healthy. Eat more fiber, they say, and you try it. But instead of feeling lighter and more regular, you end up feeling like a balloon about to lift off. Gas, distension, discomfort. So what gives? Could something that's supposed to help your gut actually be making things worse? Let's unpack the truth about fiber, when it's your best friend, and when it quietly becomes your worst digestive enemy. Fiber has a great reputation, and for good reason. It helps regulate bowel movements, balances blood sugar, and supports heart health. But here's what most people don't realize. Fiber doesn't feed you. It feeds your bacteria. Your gut microbiome, that huge population of microbes living inside your intestines, thrives on the complex carbohydrates in fiber. If your gut bacteria are balanced and healthy, they break down fiber into beneficial short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, acetate, and propionate, all anti-inflammatory and healing to your gut lining. But if your gut is not in balance, if you have bacterial overgrowth, yeast, or dysbiosis, then that same fiber becomes fuel for the wrong crowd. Instead of producing soothing compounds, they produce gas, acids, alcohols, and toxins. Think of your gut like a city. When everyone follows the rules, fiber is like free food for your helpful citizens, energy to keep everything running smoothly. But if the city's been overrun with bad actors, yeast, pathogenic bacteria, or excessive gram-negative microbes, that free food becomes an all-you-can-eat buffet for troublemakers. When these bad tenants ferment fiber, they produce hydrogen, methane, and sometimes sulfur gases. That's what causes bloating, belching, distension, and discomfort after eating fibrous foods like beans, lentils, or certain vegetables. And there's another hidden consequence. As these microbes break down fiber, many release endotoxins, fragments of their cell walls called lipopolysaccharides, LPS. These endotoxins can irritate your gut lining, trigger immune reactions, and even leak into your bloodstream, driving inflammation throughout the body. If you've got yeast or fungal overgrowth in the gut, such as Candida albicans, fiber can also become a problem. Yeast love to ferment certain types of fiber and resistant starches, turning them into ethanol and acetaldehyde, basically alcohol and its toxic byproduct. This not only adds to gas and bloating, but it also taxes your liver and can create brain fog, fatigue, and even mood swings. So when someone says fiber is always good, they're missing this critical point. Fiber is only beneficial when the ecosystem of your gut is balanced. Prebiotics, those special fibers like inulin, FOS, and resistant starch, are marketed as food for your probiotics. That's true, but they also feed everything else that's living down there. If your microbiome is healthy, prebiotics help you grow more beneficial bacteria. But if your gut is overgrown with gas-producing species or yeast, adding prebiotics can make things explode, literally and figuratively. It's like adding fertilizer to a garden that's full of weeds. You don't get more flowers, you get more weeds. When the wrong microbes digest fiber, they don't just make gas, they make chemistry. They produce endotoxins that signal your immune system, creating inflammation that can travel far beyond your gut, to your skin, joints, brain, and hormones. This is one reason people with gut imbalances often struggle with fatigue, foggy thinking, or inflammatory issues that don't seem digestive at all. So yes, fiber can be your friend, but only when your gut is ready for it. If fiber seems to make you worse, it's a sign. Not that fiber is bad, but that your gut is out of balance. The solution isn't to load up on more fiber, but to first heal the gut environment. Restore healthy stomach acid and enzyme function. Reduce yeast and bacterial overgrowth. Rebuild the gut lining and microbiome balance. Once balance is restored, your body will love fiber again and use it the way it was meant to be used. If bloating, gas, or distension have become your norm, you don't have to guess what's wrong. I've created a free bloat guide to help you uncover what's really driving your symptoms and how to fix them naturally. You can download it right now using the link below. I'm Dr. George Springer, helping you discover the real causes of your symptoms so you can finally get your gut and your life back in balance.